Just like iPhone 13, we got a last minute leaks of the Apple Watch Series 7. Hello everyone, I'm Nikhil from iGeeks blog and we have just got the last minute leaks of the Apple Watch Series 7 and I'm sure you are excited to know them all. Are you? Then let's talk about the design first. We have seen the same design with Apple Watch Series 4, 5 and 6. But this time, with Series 7, Apple is revamping the design and will introduce a completely different look to the iWatch. Take a look at the design of Series 4, 5 and 6. It has a round edges and two different variants. And with this new Apple Watch Series 7, Apple will introduce a new design. This will be more square and with the flat edges. Not only this, it will have small bezel on the screen compared to the older version of Apple Watches to match with the design of the upcoming iPhone 13. I hope you have watched the video about the last minute leaks of the iPhone 13. Suppose you have not, then don't wait. Click on the card above this screen or check the link from the description down below to watch it. I'm sure you will be surprised by knowing the last minute leaks of the new lineup of iPhone 13. Now, let's come back to the Apple Watch Series 7 and talk about the colors. The design will match the iPhone 13, but Apple has a plan to introduce a new Series 7 just like iMac colors. So we may see a purple color, kinda orange, a rose gold or a golden pink colors in the upcoming watch Apple Series 7. And if we talk about the size of the Apple Watch, there will be a big change. Yup, Apple has a plan to introduce a new sizes of Apple Watch and that is 41mm and 45mm. I know it will not make a huge difference, but I guess you are missing one point over here. I have just said that the new Apple Watch Series 7 would have small bezel screen and in addition to that Apple Watch sizes would be increased by 1mm. That means we will see a noticeable difference in the screen size of the Apple Watch. Now the question is, what will happen to your Apple Watch band collection? Not to worry, you can use 40mm Apple Watch band in 41mm and a 44mm watch band in 45mm. So get relief over here. One thing will surprise you for sure. Somewhere in China, people made a clone of Apple Watch Series 7 and it's in the market to sell before Apple announces the Apple Watch Series 7. When I saw this news, I was surprised. Like, how is it possible? But Chinese people are Chinese people and clone people, I must say, and they can do everything and they can eat everything. Hey, I'm out of the track. I need to upgrade my processor just like Apple Watch Series 7. We all know that every year Apple introduces a new chip for the Apple Watch. And this year, in 2021, Apple will follow its ritual by introducing a new system-in-package chip which is S7. I don't want to comment about the performance and improvements in the new S7 chip and let me allow Apple to say that on the stage of the California streaming event. But I'll surely talk about the more rumored feature of the Apple Watch Series 7 and that is the blood glucose monitor. Apple Watch Series 2 and 3 introduced heart rate monitor. With Series 4 and 5, Apple introduced ECG support in the Apple Watch. And with the Watch Series 6, Apple added new feature SpO2 and always on display. And apart from all this feature, Apple Watches are known for like activity tracking, health notification, high or low heart rate, fall detection and lot more. And with this Series 7, it is rumored that Apple will introduce a new feature to monitor blood glucose. I must appreciate Apple for all this feature because Apple says their watches are not certified health device but does all these jobs. Great job team Apple. But just like Apple Watch Series 6, the new Apple Watch will have 1 GB of RAM, so no improvement in that. But there will be an improvement in the battery segment for sure. Apple Watch Series 6 houses 304 mAh battery and the new Watch Series 7 will have 330 mAh battery capacity. So good news for the people who are not getting enough time to charge their Apple Watch may get some relief by hearing this news that Apple Watch may offer 2 hours more battery life in the Watch Series 7. Along with these all changes and spec bumps, Apple will introduce new watch faces with Apple Watch Series 7 as they want to follow the ritual, right? But hey, if you don't want to wait for that, then subscribe to my YouTube channel as I'm going to make one video on Apple Watch faces like customized Apple Watch faces that will suit your style for sure. So subscribe and turn on all the notification to get notified. And with this, final talk. We have reached to the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please give a big thumbs up to this video and share this video with your family and friends. I'm Nikhil signing off. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected.